do something for me. I'd like you to sit back in your chair, close your eyes, and imagine a life 100% free from type 2 diabetes. Imagine waking up in the morning and no longer having to think about dealing with this debilitating disease. Imagine a life with no more needles, finger pricks, or test strips. Imagine not having to purchase any more medication or suffer from the inevitable side effects that you're probably experiencing right now because of these drugs. Imagine living a life where you can eat your favorite foods without having to worry about piling on the pounds, or worse, going into a diabetic shock or even a coma. Imagine feeling as energetic and alive as you did in your teens and 20s before this devastating condition began to blight every aspect of your life. Imagine a life free from fear, where you no longer needed to worry about the very real possibility of losing a limb, going blind, or succumbing to nerve damage, kidney failure, heart disease, stroke, or any of the other terrible and life-threatening conditions associated with diabetes. Do you even remember those days when you lived without fear and worry? When you were healthy and slim, full of life, when you could do whatever you wanted and eat whatever you wanted without the constant shadow of diabetes hanging over you? Those memories probably seem like a long time ago, right? After all, if you're anything like my patients, probably you think that those days are long gone and that this is your life now, that you'll never be free from diabetes. But that's not the way it has to be. You see, I'm about to give you a second chance. The chance you've been desperate for so long now. The chance that deep down you knew was right around the corner. The chance to start living your life again, 100% free from diabetes. In fact, over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you just how, from 60 seconds a day, you can turn back the clock, effectively reset your body's ability to regulate your blood sugar, kickstart your pancreas, and completely reverse your type 2 diabetes in as little as 50 short days, allowing you to live a life once again full, free from pain, inconvenience, worry, and fear. No matter if you're 60, 80, or 100, no matter your weight, no matter the extent of your diabetes, or even if your doctor has said your condition is irreversible and hopeless. In fact, by following the proven system I'm about to reveal to you on this very segment, you can achieve all of this without the frustration of yet another diabetic diet plan, without starving yourself, without changing your diet at all. Now, you may be sitting there feeling a little skeptical right now, and I completely understand. After all, for years you've been led to believe that your diabetes cannot be reversed, and that the only option you have to manage it is with drugs, which can often leave you battling some pretty unpleasant side effects. But the truth is, type 2 diabetes can be reversed. Better still, you can do it in as little as 50 days, from the comfort of your own home, without having to spend a penny, and with just a commitment of 60 seconds a day. Yes, that's right, from just 60 seconds per day. And if you're thinking, yeah right, that all sounds a little too good to be true, I urge you, just keep an open mind for a few more minutes. Because this completely natural treatment method, which has been developed by myself and my team of medical researchers, has already been clinically proven in countless peer-reviewed medical journals and studies such as those from the esteemed Heriot-Watt University and the University of Windsor to dramatically lower blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, boost weight loss, reduce blood pressure, and dramatically improve overall health. And if you just stick with me for just a little while longer, I'm going to show you the undeniable medical research that supports these claims. And I'll also reveal exactly what you need to do to start putting this treatment into practice yourself right now, so you can start the process of reversing your type 2 diabetes or prediabetes. And in the next few minutes, we can transform your health and well-being in the process. But there's an important question that you might be asking yourself right now. And that is, how can I possibly know that this treatment method will work for you personally when I've never met you? I don't know what your current blood sugar readings are. I don't know anything about your family history, your weight, or what medications you're on. Well, it's a good question. But the truth is, none of that matters. Firstly, because this isn't a drug concocted in a laboratory. It's 100% safe and 100% natural. And secondly, because the treatment I'm about to reveal is 100% effective, it has already slashed blood sugar readings and transformed the health of 100% of my patients. In fact, not just my patients, but thousands of patients around the world who have already been able to completely reverse their